Continuing our look at compound sentences, we're going to be looking at a semicolon. Remember that compound sentences join two independent clauses or two complete sentences together with some type of glue. In this particular case, we're going to look at the semicolon as our glue. So this is pretty straightforward. Independent clause, that's a complete sentence, stands by itself, subject, verb, complete thought, complete sentence, and just put a semicolon in the middle. Please remember your thoughts do need to relate whether it's in topic or idea. So some examples for you. A dancer is on point, she glides across the stage. So a dancer is on point is your independent clause. She glides across the stage is an independent clause. Both of these can stand by itself. If I just said them randomly, they would sound like a complete sentence because they are a complete sentence, and you'll see that there is a semicolon in between. The leaves have fallen off the trees, independent clause. They cover the green grass in a blanket of brown, independent clause. Once again, you'll see they are joined by a semicolon. Remember, a semicolon is that little comma with a period on top. This is a professional example. So Galley's eyes raged with lunacy, independent clause, semicolon, his clothes were torn and filthy, independent clause, and then dash under 256, so author's last name and page number. Here's an additional example from the book H2O. So I found the cat food under the sink, semicolon. I got a plate and dumped the whole can of food onto it. So two complete sentences. I found the cat food under the sink. I got a plate and dumped the whole can of food onto it. They relate an idea and topic, so we can join them together with a semicolon. So let's say, for example, I need to write, a number of sentences like this. So I might do something along the idea of, we meet for lunch at noon, semicolon. He orders his usual. And then I might say something like, I try something new, semicolon. I find that it was a bad idea. And then you just continue on like that, joining your independent clauses with a semicolon.